This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. To start, you will need to find and launch the calendar app on your phone. Then select the date that you would like to link an event to. Then tap at this plus icon to your bottom right. In here, fill out all the event details such as event name, time frames, location, calendar that it will be saved to, remind when you would like to be reminded about this event, make this event repetitive or reoccurring if necessary, add some notes or description, or perhaps attach some files. Finally, you can change the color of this event so you will be able to better tell it apart from other calendar entries that you have. Now, upon tapping at the event, you can see look at its details, or delete an event entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.